Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: an account, notifications enabled, and any health integrations connected. Once done, tap Plus to add a goal, choose target type, habit, average, or milestone, because each tracks differently. Make sure to name the goal clearly and set the frequency and start date. This affects reminders and streaks. You'll see why early choices matter. They determine how data is recorded and displayed, so pick options that match how you actually work. Next, configure the tracking details. Choose checkbox for simple habits, timer for sessions, number for metrics, or progress for multi-step goals. Once configured, set reminder cadence and completion thresholds. This ensures you get nudged at the right times. Make sure to enable auto-stop or reset rules so goals don't continue past completion. Also, use templates or duplicate goals to save time and keep consistency across similar routines. It speeds setup and preserves your analytics. Finally, review progress on the dashboard and tweak difficulty to stay realistic. You'll keep motivation higher when goals are attainable. Once satisfied, enable iCloud sync and export backups periodically so your history is safe across devices. If tracking behaves strangely, force close the app and confirm permissions. Next, re-enable integrations. If problems persist, reinstall as a last resort. This often clears corrupted caches. One troubleshooting tip: check the clock/time.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.